You remember the speech Trump and, how to pronounce his name, Hegseth, your, what is now, Secretary of War, no longer Defense, I don't know. First, Hegseth sent something in his 1 hour speech, which was very interesting for me, because the way I perceive it is it was the exact opposite of what he wanted to say. He wanted to say, enough of this ideological confusion, woke, tolerance, and so on. Soldiers should be real, masculine, strong soldiers, and so on and so on. We know the story. You know what? I wonder if you would agree. You know what I find ridiculous here? But sorry, does the guy knows where he lives? Look at Ukraine war. The big things are drones and rockets. They're usually operated by nerds or even women way behind the front who are definitely not this masculine ideal and so on. No, Hegseth is a nostalgic romantic. He is not in touch with how a modern army functions.